In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DeepSeek AI inside n8n. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. First, for those who might be new to n8n, it's an open-source workflow automation tool that connects various apps and services to help you automate tasks and processes. DeepSeek AI, on the other hand, is an AI tool that enhances your ability to search, analyze, and gather insights from data. So, integrating the two can significantly streamline your workflows and improve your productivity. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is open your n8n workspace. If you haven't created one yet, go ahead and set that up. Once you're in your n8n environment, we'll begin by setting up a new workflow. On the left side, you'll see a button that says New. Click that to create a new workflow. Now, the next step is to search for the DeepSeek AI node in the node panel on the left. Simply type DeepSeek in the search bar. You should see it pop up. Drag and drop the DeepSeek node into your workflow area. Once you've added it to your workflow, you'll need to configure this node to connect with the data source you want to analyze. You'll see various fields where you can input your parameters. This is where you tell DeepSeek what to look for and how to process the information. Let's say you're interested in analyzing customer feedback. In the configuration settings, input your data source, which could be a database or an API that contains your customer feedback. Make sure to select the correct authentication method if needed. This step is crucial, as it ensures DeepSeek can access the data it needs to perform its analysis. Once you've set up your node, the next step is to map out the workflow by connecting this node to another. For instance, if you want to send the results to an email or another application, you would add the email node next. Connect it to the DeepSeek node by dragging from the little circles on the nodes to create a line connecting them. As you configure the email node, input the recipient's address and make sure to customize the email body. You might want to include a summary of the results returned from DeepSeek. It's okay to play around with the setup. n8n's interface is user-friendly, so you can easily make adjustments as you go along. Now, once everything is connected and configured, it's time for the fun part, testing your workflow. Click the Execute Workflow button at the top. Watch as n8n runs through the steps you've configured. Check to see if the email sends successfully with the insights gathered by DeepSeek. It might take a moment, but this is where the magic happens. If everything worked as expected, congratulations! You've just integrated DeepSeek AI into your n8n workflow. Now you can analyze your data and automate your processes seamlessly. If there were any issues during the test run, don't worry. Go back and check each node's configuration. Sometimes a simple adjustment can make all the difference. And that's it for today's tutorial on using DeepSeek AI inside n8n. I hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. If you have any questions or want to know more about automating other processes, feel free to drop your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.